Today we're gonna make these healthy baked veggie sticks. For our baked veggie sticks today, I'm gonna use peppers, red, green, yellow, a baby eggplant, a zucchini, and a carrot. So we're gonna start cutting our vegetables. For our zucchini, I'm gonna cut them in half because you want them like French fry size. So we're gonna slice them up nice and thin. Put them right here with our carrots. Next, our baby eggplant. Take this off here. And again, we'll do our little slices. So our eggplants we're gonna cut into strips so that they're all look like little fries. I wanna see if you can give these to your kids and say they're a veggie French fry. And now our peppers. Cut our pepper in half. Our peppers, we're gonna do nice slices. Add all these right here. These are all our sliced vegetables. Now we're gonna make our flour and water mixture in this bowl here. I have 2 cups of flour. I'm gonna add that in. Now you can salt and pepper your vegetables or you can add it to the mixture. So I'm gonna add a little salt and a little pepper right to my flour. And I'm gonna put water to this. I'm gonna mix it in slowly. So we have our flour and our water here, equal parts flour and water. I have our corn semolina, I put it right in here, lay it out in the pan so it's easy to coat, and we're gonna take our veggies. So we're gonna drop our veggies, some of them in here, toss them around. There you go. Gotta make sure that they don't have dripping. Drop them over here. Before we pop them in the oven, we're gonna drizzle a little olive oil right on top. And now we're gonna go into the oven, bake them. Convection oven, I have it set for 425. So we've baked these about 45 minutes. They're nice and golden brown. They look beautiful. I'm transferring them onto this serving dish right here. And this recipe is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkiglekis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for more entertaining tips.